Hello everybody. Good to see you again. This is PentestSuite author. There are so many funny, interesting features I'd like to introduce to you. Although previous version has given you a basic feeling of hacking on Android, I know there are some serious problems that are keeping us from having a good experience on it. So in the next version of PentestSuite, I have not only solved those problems and also have added some very cool features. And I would like to use this video to show how this version of PentestSuite will work much better than before. What comes first is the project setting feature. When you're using a phone, there are so many situations that you have to leave the app and do the job that you have to do. I hope in the next version of PentestSuite, it will give you a different experience when you have some emergency, because all the data will be saved so safely and will be binded to a specific project. So even if you have a phone call when you are doing your job, it will not lose your data. The saved data scope is currently defined in message list, message replacer, message blocker scope, and message generator and code analyzer. So it will present you an experience as if you have never left the app. See the new option I have added. I know it's not funny to update the content length by hand when you just need to update the HTTP content. So if you check this switch, it will do the job for you. And normally it will be checked automatically every time you have opened this dialog. And I have polished here too. Now let's see the difference in message list. Although it's not a big update, but I'm pretty sure that a search feature is very important in this place. In the new version, I've added two new buttons, forward and drop. And these two buttons will only exist in currently intercepted messages. Also, highlight view filter option has been added. Funny, yes? I haven't realized at first I should add this view filter option. Isn't it ridiculous when you highlight a message and you can't find the message directly? But sometimes I have to admit, sometimes the software building process is a little bit ridiculous. Anyway, it finally comes. Oh, I've missed something. Let's talk about the message blocker update. I've added a very funny feature in it. In the notification, you will be able to temper, drop, and also forward the message directly. And you can see I have opened a new dialog and trying to temper something. And definitely you can also don't temper anything. So you can see I send it and a new notification has appeared. And then we add something, just add something. Okay. Then we try to input X a lot of times just to make it easier to find. Okay, let's search it. But I'm sure you might have already seen it, right? This should be the coolest feature in this update, I think. Because if you have this feature and you can just focus on your target, you can first specify the blocker rule and focus on your target and wait for the notification to come and click temper button and temper the data. Also check the data. You can see we use this feature to catch the flag. And we try again. Change the price from 8.95 to 0.00. And then we click temper button. And you can see we successfully used this feature to temper the data on the fly. I'm pretty sure that this feature will make Pentest process much easier than before. Like you want to find some ideal art problem and some other things. Temper is a very important technique, right? I will post more videos in this channel, and if you like it, subscribe this channel.